whites for our breakfasts all this week. So I have enough egg whites in here for 5 days, and it's equivalent to 5 egg whites for each day. So I dumped the egg whites into my skillet, put it on the stove on medium-low heat. I covered it up and waited probably about 15 or 20 minutes for the egg whites to get solid. And once they're solid, I let it rest for a little while, and now I'm ready to cut them up into pie-shaped pieces to put in my Tupperwares for the week. And the easiest way for me to make a circle into 5 equal parts is kind of like I think of it kind of like a stick figure. So I start here in the middle and I go down, and then I make the legs of my stick figure, and then I make another leg of my stick figure, and then I take the arms to my stick figure and come up here, and then I take another arm to the stick figure and I come up here, and I end up with 5 equal parts. And then I'm gonna take my pie-shaped slices of egg whites, put them in my Tupperwares, and then of course I have to top it with some kind of cheese, because I can't live my life without cheese. And I figure cheese is better than sugar. So yeah, I'm gonna put some goat cheese, my favorite kind of cheese, because once again, it's that strong flavor of cheese, and I don't have to use very much to get some flavor. So I'm gonna take my goat cheese and sprinkle a little bit on each piece of pie sliced egg whites and put them in the refrigerator. And when I get to work, I zap them in the microwave for about a minute, and I have delicious egg white breakfast. Keeps me satisfied until lunchtime. Lots of protein, really good for you. Healthy, easy.